Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to transfer WhatsApp messages from the previous phone to the new phone. However, verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's jump right in. Open up WhatsApp app and first of all we should backup our old chats. In my specific case, I just tap on chats and here is my 3 chats. So what we need to do first, it's a backup. Just tap on settings, tap on chats, then tap on chat backup, and of course backup now our old chats in this moment. Perfect, we create backup. So now we just open up WhatsApp app on new phone. Alright, on your new phone open up WhatsApp, then tap on agree and continue. Enable notification or not, just select it, then tap on your country here, enter your WhatsApp number, tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to see restore from iCloud or Google. You just tap on restore at the top right corner of the screen, or here restore chat history. As you can see, we started downloading to our new phone all our conversation from the previous phone. Alright, as you can see, finishing. As you can see, restore how many messages, and then tap on next at the top right corner of the screen, and of course enter your new name, then tap on done at the top right corner of the screen, tap OK, and now as you can see I have same chats from my previous phone on my new phone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.